Kachupos!
Next, shuffle, ganda.
Stevia, chocolate, ang sweetener is ito pong halaman.
Hello mga ka-Chuples, at ngayon ay day 2 ng Philippine Food Expo at kasama po natin si Ma'am Denise.
Hello! Good morning! Good morning everyone! Good morning to all our customers out there. It's our first time po here in Philippine Food Expo, sir.
Ma'am Denise, regarding po pala sa event na to, ma'am, is ano pala yung booth or nire-represent nyo po, ma'am?
Okay, ang nire-represent po namin, we are the first and only chunky cheese pimiento in the whole Philippines and in the whole world. And ang maganda po doon is that we are made in the Philippines. Proudly made in the Philippines po. Yes, sir.
And ma'am, regarding pala sa item nyo or sa product nyo, ma'am, is ano pala yung mga binibenta nyo or pinapatikim nyo sa ating mga guests po ngayon?
Right, opo. Meron po tayong 2 variants. Meron po tayong original at saka spicy. So, yung original natin, we also have very simple lang yung menu namin here in Holy Mana. We have 2 variants and 2 sizes. We have the small one and the big one. And our starting price is at 305 pesos only, sir. Ayun. So, for anyone who would want to come for this event, up until tomorrow po, meron tayong ino-offer ng mga promos and discounts here in the booth. So, it would be really special for us for you to be able to visit us and come over so we may be able to meet you all po. Yes.
And ma'am Denise, regarding pala sa item nyo, ma'am, ano pala yung pinaka-best seller nyo? Yung spicy or yung regular po, ma'am?
Alam mo, sir, we always get that question. Pero ang sa amin po, hindi na po namin matali. Kasi nangyari po, bestseller na po silang dalawa. Opo.
Ma'am, regarding pala sa event na to, syempre last day na tomorrow, ma'am.
Yes.
Is meron po ba kayong mga upcoming events na naka-line up po this year?
Yes, opo. Meron po kaming mga upcoming events. Actually, what we do po, you could see us in our pop-up stores, our pop-up locations. We will be in SM Ora, sir. We'll be in Alabang Town Center. We'll be in Power Plant, Rockwell Power Plant, the 5th. So all of the details and dates and venues, we will be updating all our clients via Facebook and Instagram. Ayan po, or even Viber, you may contact us. We have a Viber community po, and you have a Viber community, so you may find us and contact us easily.
And ma'am, just in case na may other inquiries sila or other concern, ma'am, paano kayo mari-reach out, ma'am?
Okay, so yun po, meron tayong Facebook page, meron po tayong Instagram page, meron po tayong Viber community group. Ayun, so we have a number. We also have all our social media sites, and you can easily message us naman po.
Ano po yung sa search, ma'am?
I'm sorry, sir?
Ano po yung sa search po nila, ma'am?
Yes, opo. Ang search nyo po is Holy Mana Chunky Cheese Pimiento. Holy Mana Chunky Cheese Pimiento. Yes po.
And once again, thank you, ma'am Denise.
Or yes. Thank you so much po. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sir Alex. Sorry.
Hello mga ka-Chuples! Candy Veloso here! Hello mga ka-Chuples! Yan, subscribe na! Hello mga ka-Chuples!
Hello mga ka-Chuples, kumusta kayong lahat? Ito po si Ronnie Liang.
Hello mga ka-Chuples!
Hello sa inyo mga ka-Chuples.
Hello mga ka-Chuples, at ngayon ay day 2 ng Philippine Food Expo at kasama po natin